All right. Whenever you're ready to lead us through.
Okay. We're standing here in the festival area. See, kind of back this way. This is our entrance door being put in today. And there'll be a little hallway here, a little room that goes off to the side and everything from that way. Coming this way, kind of looking to the left. This is the walls of our two bathrooms. That are already up. Got those up, framed up. Ready to do the electrical rough in within. Here to our right is our other entryway. It's kind of boarded up right now. We'll have the doors into it today. Have that all framed in and all. Looking back this way, this is one of the entrances into the main sanctuary. And come in this way, we have this room to our left, all framed up, ready to be roughed in electrically. Of course, you can see the insulation is, all the exterior insulation is all up in the building now. A lot of the interior walls are also have been insulated already. This is our platform to the sound system, to the audio-video area in the back of the church. See here, we've got that all up. We don't have the walls framed up to it yet. It's all there ready to go. Across from that is, this is our kitchen area over here. Whole area here, we have our electrical rough in to do here yet, and then we'll be ready to do sheetrock here probably right after first of the year. We'll start putting our sheetrock up on it. This is out into the sanctuary. You can see we have our windows for the sanctuary. We have the window here where the white insulation is on the walls, right and left. That our windows will be in very shortly, maybe by the 1st of January, we're understanding. We have our basic layout of our drop ceiling. I know you'll not be able to pick it up, but it's 24 feet high to the center peak, 13 feet 4 inches to the outside height of the drop ceiling. We still have all that work yet to be done. Needs to be done yet. We have the platform area. We just started working on the high walls up on the platform area today. Kind of see the metal studs laying here that we're beginning to put up. I'll have this wall up probably by the end of next week. I'll have it up, ready for sheetrock to be put on it. We have the concrete block laid up for the subwoofer speakers already in. We have it. As soon as it sets up, we'll finish completing the top of our platform area up here. We have a couple of wire risers for our wires to sit on, making them out of 4x8 sections to where they're easily handled by people. We'll have those carpeted and all, and then use them for wire risers and stuff up on the platform. We have the baptistry platform is already laid up. We're just kind of waiting on it to come in. It's supposed to be in a couple of weeks where we can build our steps and stuff off of it. And then right and left there. The little rooms that are off to the side of the platform up front. One is referred to as a choir room on the one side. We have, like I say, all of it is insulated. We have our electrical rough-in we have to do to it. But other than that, it is completed with the steps and all, as well as the room on the other side, which is a baptistry change room. Making tremendous progress with everything that we're doing. We have people here today that are bringing us carpet samples for carpeting for the floor, chair samples, excuse me, for the chairs for the sanctuary. We've already contacted, like I say, the people to do the drywall and the finishing and everything else. They're going to start right after the first of the year. And the brickwork for the outside of the sanctuary is supposed to start next week. They're going to start laying brick and stuff on the outside of the sanctuary. And my God has blessed us with the volunteers, the Builders for Christ, the different groups that have come. They have done a tremendous amount of work in here, along with the workers that attends church here, that is here every day helping us do whatever we're working on at that time. It's really just a great blessing to be a part of it, to watch how God works out all the details and everything that's done. We just praise God and thank Him for His goodness and His greatness.